And she co-authored a book with former Destiny's Child member Kelly Rowland. Dr. Tristan Bickman is here to talk about her candid guide for new moms. In today's Health Smart, we are talking about a candid guide for new mothers.
Joining us now is Dr. Tristan Bickman, OBGYN and co-author of Whoa Baby. Nice to see you.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
Good book title,
Yeah.
addressing the question that pretty much every mom needs to know about.
Yes, it
What
is.
is that?
Well, the book Whoa Baby is about for expectant mothers or new moms after they've had a baby. There's all these books on pregnancy, and once you have a baby, then all these books go to babies and infants and how to raise a baby, but there's nothing about what happens to our bodies postpartum. To me, the irony has always been that pregnancy is this finite period of time of 9 months, and then the postpartum period sometimes lasts 9 weeks, sometimes it lasts 2 years, but there was no resources out there for women and new moms. Over all the years that I've been doing this, patients always come to me postpartum and ask me questions like, is this normal? Why is this happening? Does it happen to other people? When is it going to end? But there was no resource for that. So this is my guide for that period.
It really is interesting. Once you do have the child, then your body's sort of got to get back to somewhat normal. And so that's where all those changes happen. Are there signs that women should look for?
Signs for women that look for that it's not normal?
Yes.
Well, in general, what I tell my patients is, first of all, this is very unpredictable. Every pregnancy is different, every postpartum is different, even within the same person. In general, however, if something's not normal, it's usually going to be getting worse, not better. So if something's getting better, it's probably normal, but they should always err on the side of calling their doctor.
Now, this book was co-authored with Destiny Child's Kelly Rowland.
Yes. Yeah, Kelly and I, Kelly's been a patient of mine for many, many years, and over the long relationship, we've become friends. And Kelly had a great pregnancy and great delivery. However, in spite of that, she came to me postpartum, like all my patients do, and had the same questions that everybody's been asking me, like, is this normal? When is this going to end? And I expressed to Kelly my frustration and how there was no resource out there for patients with all these questions about this period. And she said, well, let's write a book. And I said, well, let's do it.
So what are some of the, without getting too graphic, what are some of the, like, say, top 2, 3 things that you see that women out there may expect?
Well, I get a lot of I get a lot of different questions postpartum. Of course, I get the general ones about, is this normal, and am I the only one this is happening to very specific questions about breastfeeding, hair loss, weight gain, weight loss, bleeding postpartum. And this resource is just for these patients to look at this, to realize what they're going through is all normal.
It is pretty fascinating that it's like, you're going to have a baby and this is what you need to do, and then you have the baby and then all the attention goes to which is great, taking care of the baby, but they forget about mom.
Yeah, you know, for me, the visual in my mind all these years has been everybody, when the mom's pushing and everybody's blotting her forehead and everybody, the cameras are on her and we're pushing and the baby comes out. And once the baby comes out, it goes to the warmer and all those people go straight to the warmer. And she's kind of just left there hanging. It's just me and her, and all the attention went to the baby. And it was that period of time where she's just left there standing, that there was no resource, and that was my
That's what a lot of husbands say when everybody gets back home.
Yeah,
Right, and then the husbands
exactly.
get ignored too.
Well, I'll write a book about that too next time.
Is it scientifically proven that people get this postpartum depression? Is it literally depression?
Well, Whoa Baby book is about the postpartum period. Postpartum depression is a component of postpartum. Not everybody gets postpartum depression, but the postpartum period is just a defined period of time that everybody has, whether they have symptoms of depression or not.
But that is scientific, the ones that do get the depression.
Yes.
Wow, it's interesting.
Yes.
Well, thank you for writing the book. It's great. Great idea.
Thank you.
All right, you can learn more about Dr. Bickman on social media or at trisbickmanmd.com. And of course, you can find the book along with Kelly, Whoa Baby, on Amazon.
Easy to remember.
Yeah, thank you.
You're based in Santa Monica.
Yes, I am.
Great, lucky you.
Yeah.